Hello friends, in this short video tutorial, I will show you how to speed up video in Premiere Pro. First, let's transfer our video into the Premiere Pro project that we want to speed up. Next, let's drag and drop it into our sequencer. Trim the part of the video you want to speed up using the razor tool or the C key on your keyboard. Right-click on the desired fragment and select speed duration. In the window that appears, enter the speed percentage by which you want to speed up your video. For example, a value of 200% will speed up the video by 2 times. For our convenience, check this box to automatically trim the empty space in the sequencer after applying the acceleration. As you can see, our video has been sped up. The second way to accelerate the video: put the cursor on this icon, press the right mouse button, and without releasing it, drag it to the rate stretch tool. Release the button. Move the cursor over our video fragment and drag the mouse to the left. This way, we will speed up our video in a more visual way. Now, you know how to speed up your video in Premiere Pro. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck!